Good morning, students. In last session, we did some problems depending on the matrix multiplication, properties of matrix multiplication, and some prove that or show that questions. And also, I discussed repeated questions which are appeared in previous supplementary and annual examination of a second PUC. Those are depending on the concept of the exercise 3.1 and the exercise 3.2. The repeated questions also I discussed. Today we will start a new concept in the matrices chapter, that is transpose of a matrix. What is that? Transpose of a matrix. So what do you mean by transpose of a matrix? Okay, usually you know the word transfer. Usually you know the word transfer. What is that meaning? Transfer means we are moving one place to another place. Okay, by referring the place or a location, it will get changes. So the same kind of the location of the entries or elements of a particular matrix will going to change. We are going to get change in the concept transpose of a matrix. Okay, how to find this transpose of the matrix and what is the definition of the transpose of the matrix? Is nothing but if you have a matrix A of Aij of order m by n. A is any matrix. Okay, you have to find transpose of a matrix A. So when you say a matrix is transposed, what is the condition? What is the criteria to say that A is transposed? Transpose of matrix A is like this. That is matrix Aij of the order m by n. Then transpose of matrix A is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns. What it means, friends? Given matrix has the rows and columns. So the rows becomes columns and columns becomes rows. It will get interchange. Means A is the matrix, a given matrix of the order m by n. What I said here, rows becomes column, columns becomes rows. Means transpose of A is denoted by A dash or A to the power t. This is the notation of the transpose of a matrix. So it is the matrix with Aji of the order n by m. Easy concept, students. Very easy. So what do you mean by transpose of A, or how you will get the transpose of A means by interchanging the rows and columns. Means rows becomes columns, columns value becomes rows. That's why matrix A of the order m by n, then the transpose of the matrix, the same A matrix will becomes order n by m. This is the transpose of the matrix. For example, A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the 2 by 3 matrix, students. Yes. So what is A transpose? Either one of the notation is okay. a dash or a to the power t. Usually you use the a dash. So what is that? I said rows becomes column, column becomes rows. So what is the first row? 1, 2, 3. And what is the second row? 4, 5, 6. So what I said here? Interchanging the rows and columns. Okay? So this column become row, this column become row, this column become row, and this row becomes column, this row becomes a column. So that means 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. So now it is the order of 3 by 2. This is the transpose of a matrix. Got the point, students? Transpose means just interchanging the rows into columns, columns into rows of a particular matrix. Okay? So let us define it. If definition, if A equals to Aij of order m by n be a matrix, then transpose of matrix A is obtained by interchanging, keep the word in mind, student, by interchanging the rows and columns, and it is denoted by a dash or a power t, such that a dash or a power t is equals to Aj of the order n by m. Okay? If A equals to Aij of the order m by n, it implies A dash equals to Aj of the order n by m. So example, students, A equals to a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is A dash or a power t? So that becomes rows becomes columns and columns becomes rows. So first column that becomes first row, second column becomes second row, third column becomes third row. So it is of the order 2 by 3, it is of the order 3 by 2. And another one example, if B equals to 1 minus 10 0 2, it is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, what is the transpose of the matrix B? That is, it is again 2 by 2 matrix because it is a square matrix. The order doesn't changes here, only for the other than square matrix. For rectangular matrix 3 by 2 or 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2, 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. So what is the transpose of the matrix B here, students? The first row becomes first column becomes first row. So it becomes 1 0 minus 10 2. It is again 2 by 2. It is only for square matrix, students. Okay? This is the transpose of a matrix. We will see some properties of the given matrix with its transpose. So some properties will be exist for transpose of a matrix. Depending on the properties of the transpose of a matrix, you will get the questions. Okay, properties of transpose of the matrix. Okay, for any matrices A and B, for any matrices A and B of suitable orders, they did not mention same order or different or nothing, they mention suitable orders, then we have the first property, students. A transpose whole transpose will get the again A itself. See an example I will write here. Example A equals to, I will write 1, 2, 3. It is the 3 by 1. Now column matrix is there. So I will apply transpose, that is A dash. What it becomes? Rows becomes columns and columns becomes rows. This is single column matrix. So the column becomes rows. So it becomes 1, 2, 3. So it becomes 1 by 3. So for the transpose of the matrix, I will again apply one more time transpose. So here a column matrix becomes row matrix, isn't? Yes. So again we are applying the transpose for this matrix. What will get here? I will get the given matrix itself. So A transpose whole transpose will be the given matrix A. Okay. The second property, K into A whole dash is equals to K into A dash. K into A whole dash is equals to K into A dash. So already you know the matrix multiplication by a scalar. Matrix multiplication by a scalar. Here K is any scalar. Okay. Let us see the one example for the second property. Just A equals to, I will write the same column matrix only, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Make the 2A, means multiplying each entry or each element of the matrix A by 2, that is numerical value. So 2 into 1, this is 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6. So 2A value will get. Next 2A dash, that is transpose of the matrix 2A, that is it becomes row matrix 2, 4, 6. Is it? Next, whether you got this value as the LHS, consider as the LHS. This is KA whole dash. So again now find A dash only now. What is A dash? A is column matrix 1, 2, 3. A dash becomes a row matrix, that is 1, 2, 3. So then 2A dash, 2 into A dash. So what it becomes? It becomes 2, 4, 6, which is the RHS value. Therefore LHS equals to RHS, that is 2A whole dash equals to 2 into A dash. This is the property, students. For that I give the example, simple example. You can apply for a 3 by 3 matrix, 2 by 3 matrix, 3 by 2 matrix, 2 by 1 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, whatever the matrix they given. That's why they mention of the suitable order. Okay. The third property, is A plus B huh? A plus B dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. Huh? A plus B dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. This is the thing here, students. So what would be the answer for this one? What would be the answer for this one? A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. Plus first add the both the matrices. For adding the two matrices, the both are should be of the same order. That's why they mention suitable orders. Okay. So A plus B. Once you get the A plus B, you will get a new matrix. You can name it as a C or just keep it as a plus B. Then if you apply the transpose, then making the individual transpose of the given respective matrices, then adding those matrices, you will get the same value. Addition of the matrices and a transpose. A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. And the fourth property, A minus B whole dash is equals to A dash minus B dash. Difference of the two matrices and transpose of that matrix is equals to transpose of the individual matrices and their difference. Okay. And fifth property, A into B whole dash is equals to B dash into A dash. Just observe this thing, students. AB whole dash. Okay. For suitable order of the matrices, AB's exist. Okay. So that transpose is equals to B dash into A dash, not A dash into B dash. Keep in mind, students. Okay. Why? Because commutative property of the matrix multiplication did not be true. For some special case only AB equal to BA will get. But for all the matrices AB equal to BA is not possible. But in the transpose of the matrix, AB whole dash equals to B dash into A dash. Okay. Next, sixth property, A1, A2, A3, so on up to AN minus 1, AN whole dash. We have the product of the more than 3, 4, 5 matrices. Then if you apply the transpose of the transpose for that product, what would be the answer? That is AN dash, AN minus 1 dash, so on up to A3 dash, A2 dash, and A1 dash. Okay. And seventh property, I dash, that is the given identity matrix. If you apply the transpose of the matrix, so you get the I itself. Okay. These are the some properties depending on the transpose of a matrix. Let us see some problems depending on the transpose of a matrix. Okay, exercise 3.3. In that section, find the transpose of the following matrices. Simple. What is the transpose of the matrix, students? By interchanging the rows and columns of the given matrix. Okay, so it is the column matrix. If I apply the transpose for this matrix, what you will get here? I will get the row matrix 5, 1 by 2 minus 1. Then it is the square matrix of the order 2 by 2. What is the transpose of the matrix here, students? The rows becomes columns and columns becomes rows. What is the column? First column 1 by 2, 1 and 2. So it becomes row. What is the second column? Minus 1, 3. So it becomes second row. This is the transpose. So here 3 by 3 matrix. The first row becomes first column or first column becomes first row. So minus 1 root 3. This is 2. Next, second column becomes second row, that is 5, 5, 6. Next, sorry, 5, 5, 3. Second column becomes second row. Third column becomes third row, that is 6, 6 minus 1. See here students, 1, 5, 6 first row, 1, 5 minus 1, 5, 6 first column. Root 3, 5, 6 second row, root 3, 5, 6 second column. 2, 3 minus 1 third row, 2, 3 minus 1 third column. Okay. Next, observe the thing here students. Observe the thing that these are diagonal elements of the square matrix. Already you know that. Remaining these are the non-diagonal elements. Here also observe the same thing, that is diagonal elements of the transpose of the matrix. That is here 2 by 2 square matrix. So what are the diagonal elements? 1 and 3. In the transpose of the matrix, what are the diagonal elements? 1 and 3. So in matrix A and transpose of A, the diagonal elements are in the same place. The non-diagonal elements only will get interchange. Okay, here A11 element means minus 1, here A11 element means minus 1, here A22 element is 5, here A22 element is 5, here A33 element is minus 1, here also A33 elements are minus 1. So in the matrix A and the transpose of the matrix A, the diagonal elements will not get interchanged, they will be placed in the same place as in the given matrix only. Okay. Next, second problem students. If A equals to a 3 by 3 matrix and B equals to also a 3 by 3 matrix, then verify that A plus B whole dash or A plus B transpose of the A plus B is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. A minus B whole transpose equals to A transpose minus B transpose. Okay. Let us start the problem with first A plus B. A plus B. What is the matrix A? That is minus 1, 2 and 3. What is the matrix second row? 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1. Okay. Plus matrix B. What is the matrix B? Minus 4, 1, minus 5. Okay. 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. So A plus B is equals to a matrix minus 1 plus of minus, that is minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, 2 plus 1, that is 3, 3 plus of minus 3 minus 5 minus 2. Okay. 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 0, that is 9, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, 1 plus 3, that is 4, 1 plus 1, that is 2. This is the A plus B matrix we obtain. Then A plus B whole dash, A plus B whole dash. What would be the answer here students? The rows becomes columns and columns becomes rows. So what is the first column? Minus 5, 6, minus 1. It becomes row. Minus 5, 6, minus 1. Next, 3, 9, 4. 3, 9, 4. Minus 2, 9, 2. Minus 2, 9, 2. This is the A plus B dash, that is transpose of the A plus B. And now you have to find the A dash plus B dash. Is it? Yes. So first find the A dash. Writing the transpose of the matrix A. So already the given matrix A is there. So A dash means the column become row. That is minus 1, 5, minus 2. This is the first row elements. 2, 7, 1. This becomes 2, 7, 1. Next 3, 9, 1. So it becomes 3, 9, 1. This is the matrix A dash. Then matrix B dash. Okay, matrix B dash. That is minus 4, 1, 1. It becomes minus 4, 1, 1. It becomes row. Next 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Next minus 5, 0, 1. Minus 5, 0, 1. So you obtain A dash and B dash. Then A dash plus B dash. What is the A dash? Minus 1, 5, minus 2. 2, 7, 1. 3, 9, 1. Plus the matrix B dash. Minus 4, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. Minus 5, 0, 1. So A dash plus B dash is the matrix of the order 3 by 3 only. Minus 1 plus or minus, that is minus. Minus 1 into minus 1. Sorry, minus 1 into minus 4, that is minus 5. 5 plus 1, that is 6. Minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. The first two elements are over. Next 2 plus 1, that is 3. 7 plus 2, that is 9. 1 plus 3, that is 4. 3 minus of 5, that is minus 2. 9 plus 0, that is 9. 1 plus 1, that is 2. So take it as a equation number 1 here. Take it as a equation number 2 here. So observe the equation number 1 value and a second value. Observe the value in the equation number 1 and values in the equation number 2. Both are of the matrix of the same order. Yes, 3 by 3, 3 by 3. Just observe the row element, first row element, yes, equal. Second row element, yes, those are also equal. Third row element, third element, those are also equal. From 1 and 2, it implies A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. Yes, we proved the first result. Let us start the second result, students. What is that? A minus B whole dash equals to A dash minus B dash. Okay. So just change this matrix entries only. A minus B. Okay. So minus 1, minus into minus plus. So minus 1 plus 4, it becomes 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus of minus, plus 5, 3 plus 5, that is 8. 5 minus 1, 4. 7 minus 2, that is 5. 9 minus 0, that is 9. Minus 2 minus 1, that becomes minus 3. 1 minus 3, minus 2. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, then A minus B whole dash is equals to A minus B whole dash equals to 3, 1, 8. 3, 4 minus 3, that is 3, 4 minus 3. 1, 5 minus 2, 1, 5 minus 2. 8, 9, 0. 8, 9, 0. Okay. Next, A dash and B dash already we found. A dash minus B dash, we have to calculate that one. So making the difference of these values. Okay. So take it as a equation number 1 here. So already you will find the A dash and B dash. Just do the difference of these two matrices. Minus 1 minus into minus plus. Plus 4 minus 1 that becomes plus 3. 5 minus 1. 4 minus 2 minus 1 that is minus 3. 2 minus 1 1. 7 minus 2 5. 1 minus 3 minus 2. 3 minus of minus plus 3 plus 5 that is 8. 9 minus 0 it is 9. 1 minus of 1 it is 0. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 it implies a minus b whole dash equals to a dash minus b dash. Okay, just note it down, students. Okay, next problem, students. If a dash equals to 3 by 2 matrix, b dash equals to, b equals to, not on b dash, b equals to 2 by 3 matrix they given, and then verify that a plus b whole dash is equals to a dash plus b dash, a minus b whole dash equals to a dash minus b dash. Okay, read the question carefully, students. First, now whenever you go for the examination, what is the foremost thing? You have to read the question carefully. That's why they will give the 15 minutes before only the question paper. What they given, suddenly if you read as the A, it becomes 3 by 2, it becomes 2 by 3. So it is not possible. This may occur in your mind. But A dash they given. For A plus B whole dash, we need A. So how to get the A from A dash? Already I mentioned the first property in the transpose of the matrix, that is A dash whole dash. It will give the given matrix A itself. So for A plus B whole dash we need A only, but here they given the A dash. So apply the transpose of for the A dash, we get the A. So A dash is directly you can write, no problem. Then for B dash you have to find that. Okay. So let us start the problem, students. Here the solution. A dash whole dash, it will give row become column, that is 3 4. This row become column minus 1 2. This row become column. Okay, A dash or transpose of transpose, you will get the A. So you will get the matrix A here. So now A plus B. So what is the matrix A? Already we found here. That is sorry, students. 3 minus 1 0, 4 2 1 plus the matrix B minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. So what is the matrix A plus B? So A plus B is 3 minus plus into minus 3 minus 1, that is 2, minus 1 plus 2, that is plus 1, 0 plus 1, that is 1, 4 plus 1, that is 5, 2 plus 2, that is 4, 1 plus 3, that is 4. So then A plus B whole dash is equals to, it becomes an interchange. Just interchanging the values. So this row become column, this row become column, or this column becomes a row. So 2 5 1 4 1 4. So take it as a equation number 1. We got the A plus B whole dash. So now already A dash is there, the given thing. So just find the B dash value here. So what is B dash? Minus 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. This is the B dash. Now A dash plus B dash. So what is the A dash, friends? The given matrix 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. So plus, what is this one? Minus 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. So 1, 3. So A dash plus B dash. The matrix is 3 plus into minus. Minus 3 minus 1, it is 2. 4 plus 1, that is 5. Minus 1 plus 2, it becomes plus 1. 2 plus 2, that is 4. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. 1 plus 3, it is 4. So it is equation number 2. Just observe the equation number 1 and 1, 2. From 1 and 2. We obtain, what we obtain here, friends? A plus B whole dash equals to A dash plus B dash. Okay? What they make the confusion here, friends? Instead of giving the A, they given A dash. So for A plus B, you have to make it again a transpose by using the properties of the transpose. First property, A transpose whole transpose will give the given matrix. That only I did here. For that purpose only you get the A, then you will add the with B, you will get the A plus B. Then you apply the transpose, you will get the matrix of this kind. Already A dash is given, no need to find again. So B is given. So for A dash plus B dash, we need the B dash value. I find that also. Again, A dash plus B dash will give the same as that of the matrix in the equation number 1. Just try the A minus B whole dash, students. Already you find the A value. Just make the, instead of addition, make the difference. You will get the exactly same answer. Means what is the A minus B whole dash? So A dash minus B dash will be the same. This is the property for the transpose of the matrix. Okay? Note it down, students.